Hello.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Hello.
Mejor del mundo.
Okay. Hello, Vanessa.
Hello, teacher. Good evening.
Good evening, Mayra. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we are 3. Okay, we are going to start because we don't have enough time to do this. Okay, so let's start. Okay, the topic for today's class is how much is it? How much and how many? Both are quantifiers, okay? But first, we are going to do a review about some vocabulary that you need to know or remember because it's going to help you to ask and answer questions about how much is it, because when we are talking about price, okay? Let's see. Let's remember some exercise about clothes. And we have some examples here in the picture. Do you know all of these, or do you have some of them that are not very clear? ¿Se los pueden todos o hay alguno nuevo para ustedes? Read this. Yes.
Anna Rock, no for me.
Anna Rock.
And Pago, que
Okay, sorry. Anorak, yes. It's like a sweater, but it's like when there is snow. Es más que todo para usarlo cuando hay nieve. But it's that's the name. In Spanish, it will be the same.
How do you say slippers?
You said slippers. Slippers? Yes,
Slipper.
very good.
Slipper.
Yes, they are pantuflas, right? Slippers.
Okay. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, very good. Okay, so you already know all of this. Let's do one of the exercise just to practice this. Just a moment. Okay, this is about clothes. And let's do this. Let's play this game. Do you see all of these clothes and accessories? So you have to wear. People probably will be a man and a woman that you have to wear. Let's play right now. Okay. Okay, so you have to tell me the answer. She's wearing a dress. What is the dress? It's the color?
yellow.
It's in the yellow one, okay. He is wearing shorts. It's about the man. What is the shorts?
It's the green one.
Okay. He is wearing a polo shirt. What is the color?
Orange.
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 Orange, okay. She is wearing a brown hat. Okay, so it will be this one. She is wearing socks. What are the socks? Are this or this or this? What are socks?
Number one. This.
Okay, a dress with shoes. He is wearing a watch.
Yes.
Okay, give me one moment. She is wearing a necklace. What is necklace? Do you remember?
Collar. Collar.
Yes, it's this one. Very good. He is wearing a gold earring. What is earring?
This. Arito.
Aritos.
And gold is the...
Oro.
Okay,
De
yes.
oro.
Very good. He is wearing a baseball cap.
Una gorra.
Light blue.
Okay, cap is Cora, right? She is wearing a bracelet. This is the only one. A silver bracelet. She's wearing pink shoes. And the sandals. Okay, very good. Let's do one more. We have the different, now we have spring. He is wearing a shirt. What is a shirt? Is this the
blue?
sky blue or the gray?
Sky blue.
Okay.
Light blue.
She is wearing brown pants.
Yes.
He is wearing black pants. She is wearing a belt. What is belt?
Cinch.
Very good. He is wearing a jacket. Will be the gray or the brown?
The brown.
He is wearing a sneakers. So will be these ones or these ones?
Brown.
The brown?
Gray. No, the gray.
The gray
The
one.
gray.
Okay. She is wearing a cardigan. What is cardigan? It's the same in Spanish. Yes?
Gray.
She is wearing brown shoes, so we know that this one. She is carrying a purse. What is purse?
Cartera.
Very good. Oh my God, too slow. Okay, we will finish this part here and we are going to start with the class. Okay, one moment, please. Okay, so you see the topic and now we are going to start reviewing what is how much and how many and when we have to use some of them. Let's see, Soraya, can you read how much, please? And the examples.
Okay. When we want to know the quantity or amount of something, we ask questions starting with how much or and how many. How much? I want to know the quantity or amount. How much plus a quantity, uncountable amount. How much sugar would you like? How much time do we have to finish? How much money do you spend? How much milk is in the freezer? Continue.
Yes, please. The other, how
Okay.
much?
How much? I want to know the price. How much plus singular or plural a noun or with the verb cost or be? How much is this dress? How much are these shoes? How much did your jacket cost? How much will it cost me?
Okay, thank you. So these are two ways when we have to use how much. When you want to know the quantity or amount of something, but has to be an uncountable noun. And the other use is when you want to know the price or something, okay? So we have the first example, how much plus uncountable noun. And do you know some of the uncountable nouns? Let's see, William.
Hi, teacher.
Hi, do you know what are the uncountable nouns? This.
Lo leo.
No. ¿Sabe cuáles son los uncountable nouns?
No.
Okay, thank you. Let me ask to Mayra. Do you know Mayra?
No, I
Okay.
do know.
Okay, very good. Let me ask to Kenya. Do you know what are the uncountable nouns?
Bears uncountable y sugar, sands, water, time,
Okay,
meal.
very good. Yes, very good. You know. Okay, Vanessa, tell me more examples about uncountable nouns. Do you remember?
Rice, salt,
Okay.
salt,
Okay.
sugar,
Sugar.
water, soda.
Excellent. Very good. In Spanish, thank you so much, Vanessa. They are things that we cannot count. Son cosas que nosotros no podemos contar, se podría decir, ¿verdad? Entonces, en este caso, usamos how much para mencionar ese tipo de cosas, para preguntar o mencionar, ¿ok? The other way, when we have to use how much, is when we want to know the price or something. Usamos también how much cuando queremos saber el precio de algo. In something specific, how much is this dress? How much are these shoes? How much did your jacket cost? Okay, so you can see these examples here. Now let's read when we have to use how many. Joel, please.
Okay, how many en Spanish? Okay, how many es cuando sí son contables, es decir, por lo menos yo lo he escuchado y como un tip que me dieron una vez, how much es cuánto y how many es cuántos.
Okay.
Como viéndolo en plural, singular, lo contable y lo no contable.
Okay, very good. Yes, can be a good answer. Yes, very good. Joel. Mayra, can you read how many, please?
Okay, how many? I want to know the quantity or amount. How many plus plural countable noun? How many days are there in January? How many students are in this room? How many books did you buy? How many cousins do you have? Continue.
Yes, please.
Okay. The noun is often omitted in the question when it is obvious that we're talking about. A. I would like to buy some cheese. I need some cones. I need some sugar. How much cheese would you like? How many do you need? How much do you need?
Okay, thank you so much. As you can see, how many, as Joel mentioned, it means when you want to know a specific amount or quantity for something. Cuando quieres saber como la cantidad la cantidad de algo en específico, que sí se puede contar. And will be plural. In this case, that's the difference between both. This is singular or plural, and here is just plural because you are asking about how many, cuántos, right? Okay, how many days are there in January? How many students are in this room? So you are asking how many, if they are 3, 4, 5, you need to know a quantity, right? And how many books did you buy and how many cousins do you have? This part, it's very, well, actually, because it's very different, there are some expressions that you can use in how much when we are expressing how much and how many or for both. As you can see in the example, how much cheese would you like? I would like to buy some cheese. You are using some and the word, so it's cheese. How many do you need? I need some coins. As you can see, you are using some with countables and with uncountable nouns. Esa expresión, some, puede usarse para countable, cosas que se pueden contar, and uncountable nouns. There are a lot of expressions that you can use when you are talking about how much and how many. Okay, now let's watch a video to understand a little bit more when we have to use how much and how many. Give me just a moment. Okay, pay attention, please.
To ask for the price of things when we go shopping, we use how much is or how much are. For example, look at these two pictures over here. We have sandals and a TV. So guys, how much are these sandals? Can you tell me the price? Do you know numbers? These sandals are $4.99. Now, how much is this TV? It is $218.99. So, we use how much is with singular nouns and how much are with plural nouns. Okay? Remember, is singular, are plural. You can also use how much to ask for quantity. Now, use how much to ask for uncountable nouns. For example, how much sugar do you want in your coffee? Sugar is an uncountable noun. How much time do we have left to do the test? Time is an uncountable noun. Now, for countable nouns and ask for quantity, we can use how many. How many cups of coffee do you drink in a day? Cups, only the cup, that is countable. How many sisters do you have? Sisters, people, is countable. Now, these words, much and many, are quantifiers. Use quantifiers when you want to talk about quantity, cantidad. Now, you can use quantifiers in questions and also in sentences. Here on screen, you are going to see a list of quantifiers. Quantifiers that you can use with countable nouns, uncountable nouns, and both. Pause the video. Take a screenshot of this list. Study these words and practice with them. Remember, use how much to ask for price and also how much to ask for quantity of uncountable nouns, and use how many to ask for amount or quantity of countable nouns.
Okay. Let's see, just give me one moment. Okay, there is some examples of things that can be counted and the other ones are not. As Vanessa and Kenya mentioned at the beginning, but this is just about food, right? We have a lot of things that can be counted and other ones that cannot be counted. So these are just some examples. Can you read, let's see, Soraya, the countable, please? Hello, Soraya?
Hello.
Can you read
Okay.
the countables, please?
Okay. Apple, cake, sandwich, clock, egg, grapes, carrot, watermelon, beer, how, burger. How you say the purple?
Brinjal.
Brinjal.
It's the word.
Okay, thank you.
Excellent. Thank you. Kenya, can you read the uncountables, please?
Yes. Water, milk, flour, beans, sugar, salt, cheese, meat, tea, honey.
Okay, so you have some of the examples that you can count and the other ones that cannot be counted. Let's see, just some exercise as she mentioned and examples. When we have to use many and much, can be as a question, affirmative sentences, and negative sentences. So can you read this for me, please, Vanessa? Many, please.
Okay, many. Many is used with countable nouns. It is mainly used in question, affirmative sentence, and negation. Example, I don't have many friends. There are too many
Disadvantages.
disadvantages in this business.
Mhm.
How many children do you have? Are there many poor people in France?
Thank you so much. And Paola, read much, please.
Much is used with uncountable nouns. It is mainly used in negative and interrogative clause. Example, how much money have you got? When didn't speak much money, there is much data to download. I'm sorry, but I don't have much time.
Okay, thank you so much. As you can see, there are sentences, questions, affirmative and negative sentences and questions when we want to express or ask using how much and how many. As you watch in the video, there are a lot of quantifiers, but now we are just looking and learning about many and much, okay? I don't know if you have any question right now. ¿Tienen alguna pregunta? Or it's clear? Yes?
Teacher, what is the mean for this word?
Which one?
Disadvantage, I don't know.
Desventajas in Spanish.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Okay, no problem. So let me send you, well, actually you have to practice right now using this, but talking about the price. And I need the help of William and is going to answer and Mayra is going, I'm sorry, William is going to ask and Mayra is going to answer. The other pair will be Soraya is going to answer and I'm sorry, Soraya is going to ask. Kenya is going to answer. Give me one moment. I will share the picture. Voy a compartir la pantalla. Okay, one moment. Okay, remember, how much is also used to when we want to ask about price, okay? Cuando queremos preguntar precio de algo en específico, okay? So, William, ask some of them to, I don't know, to Mayra, right? Okay, ask William.
Yes.
Okay. Mayra, how much is a bag?
How much are
Okay, listen, Mayra. Okay, this is the
okay.
question. You have to answer this.
Oh, sorry. It's $2.
It's
It's $2.
$2. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. William asked with R. How much are?
How much are t-shirt?
Okay, remember, if it's singular, is. If it's plural, you have to ask with R.
Okay. How much are shoes?
She's okay. They're $8.
They are $8. Okay, very good. So let's see.
Okay.
Very good. Who was the other one?
Yo, Soraya.
Okay, ask
Me,
please to Kenya, please.
yes.
Okay. How much
Soraya.
is the sweater?
Okay.
Answer,
It
Kenya, please.
is, okay. It is $6.
Okay,
How
ask please.
much are the socks?
They're $6.
They are $6. Okay, very good. Now we are going to do another practice, but this is going to be with how much and how many. Let me just take a picture right now. If you don't see it, I will send you this to the WhatsApp chat for you to have it there. Now you are going to work in pairs. Let me just share the exercise right now. So you have to select if this is how much or how many, okay? Let me send you to the group, so just give me one moment. Okay, I will send this to the WhatsApp chat. Join to the group, please. Okay, Paola. Okay, let's answer. What happened with Soraya? Oye. Okay, let's see. You have to answer this, okay? Tell me
Okay.
the number one.
How many bananas are there?
Just give me
This,
one moment.
okay.
Ingrid. Ingrid, go to your rooms, please. We are doing an exercise. Okay, very good. Yes, tell me number one, sorry.
How many bananas are there?
Okay, thank you. Number two.
How many chocolate is there in the cupboard?
Are you sure that is how many?
In Spanish, how do you say cupboard?
It's like armario. So do you think is how much or how many?
I think is how many because I think is the is the package.
Okay, but probably is, well, actually is how much, because the chocolate, you can count the chocolate. If they are like candies of chocolate, si son dulces como el chocolate, obviamente sí. Yes, you can do it, pero el líquido en sí, you cannot count.
Oh, okay.
Okay, tell me number three.
And how much orange juice do we need?
The next one.
How much tea is there?
Okay. Number 5.
And how many brothers have you got?
Okay.
And how many girls are there in your class?
Mhm.
How much snow is there in the mountains? How many cats have they got? How much pasta are you cooking? How many days are there in February?
Okay, very good. Excellent. Okay, let me stop sharing. I will just verify if I have this here. Okay, one more. Okay, let's call the rest. So we'll do the exercise together. Okay, did you finish? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Mm, let me just share my screen. Okay, so I'm going to ask to some of you some of the answers, okay? Let's see, what is the number 2 that you have as an answer, Jocelyn?
Is how many?
How many? Okay, let's see. Vanessa, what do you think? Is how much or how many?
Number 2 is how much?
How much? Okay. Yes, remember that we cannot count chocolate. If there are probably some candies, yes, will be totally different, but we are asking about the liquid, right? El líquido, el chocolate en sí, okay, la bebida. Okay, let's see number 7. Soraya, please.
How much snow is there in the mountain?
Okay, thank you. Yes, very good. And William, tell me the number 10, please. Oh, sorry, 9.
is how much pasta are you cooking?
Okay. Mayra, tell me number 4, please.
Okay. How much tea is there?
Paola,
Okay.
I'm sorry, Joel, tell me number 1, please.
Number 1, how many bananas are there?
Excellent. Okay. So you already know the topic. It's not very complicated, but let's practice just a little bit more to some of another questions. Okay. Give me just a moment. Okay, in this one, we are going to do it together, okay? Let's see. Tell me the number 1, Joel. I'm going to write the answer here. We didn't have food left. It's
Okay.
much or many?
It's much.
Much.
Much. Just bear with me. Okay. Okay, así lo voy a tell me the number 2, Mayra. Do we have time to finish our test?
Okay. How much?
Okay, is much or many?
Many.
Do we have much or
Much.
many time? Okay, much. Okay, very good. Now, Vanessa, tell me number 3.
There weren't many apples.
Many, right? Thank you. Okay, let's see, Paola, number 4, please. Our teacher didn't give us homework.
Our teacher didn't give us, I don't see.
Okay, one moment.
It's much.
Yes, very good. Thank you. Oh my God. Okay, así lo voy a dejar. Let's see. Thank you, Paola. Jocelyn, what is the number 5? Do you need eggs for a cake?
Is much.
Okay, remember, it has to be a countable noun.
Oh, sorry.
Eggs.
It's many.
Many,
yes, it's
right?
many.
Many, very good. Se pueden contar los huevos. Yes, we can count eggs. Oh my God. Okay, I don't have, let's move this.
Many toys in my room.
Many or much.
Many.
Ok, lo voy a escribir aquí a la par porque ya no se me ve bien. Ok, let's see, Ingrid, number 7, please.
Many.
Let's see, Joel, number 8, please.
Sería much.
Much. William, number 9, please.
Sería many.
Many.
Many people outside. Oh. Number 10, do we need, Kenya, balloons for the party?
No,
Many.
Many. Okay, very good. Let's see the last exercise. Soraya, number 11, please. Many or much?
Much.
Much. Mhm. Vanessa, number 12, please. Hello?
Did you find much information?
Much. Yes. Okay. Joel, what will be the number 13?
Es many.
Many. Okay. Jocelyn, what will be the 14, please? Did he? Mhm.
Did he visit many countries last year?
Okay. Ingrid, what is the number 15?
Much.
Number 16, William, please. She doesn't need
How much?
much explore. And Mayra, number 17, please.
Okay. How many?
How many? Okay. Excellent job. Very good. So now you already know how to use how many, but now we are going to practice this in groups. It's going to be, well, actually, no, let me do just an exercise for you right now. The last one, and then you are going to do it for yourself. No, I think that well, actually I will do it later, but first let's practice this. Okay, one moment. Okay, so let's practice. So you have to work in pairs. And in this case, you have to ask some of these questions to your partner. Let's read the questions. Let's see, Ingrid, with how many?
How many hours a day do you sleep every day? How many calories do you consume every day? How many hours in a week do you spend on your work? How many hours do you spend on video games every day? How many people do you live with? How many cups of coffee do you drink every day? How many weeks do you take for vacation every year?
Okay, thank you. And Paola, can you read how much, please?
How much money would you like to save this year? How much money you spend on clothes every month? How much money do you spend on food each month? How much time do you spend on reading books? How much time do you spend on watch TV every day? And how much water do you think every day? Drink.
Okay. Yes, thank you so much. So you have to ask not all of the questions to your partners, but there are 2 and 2, okay? So you can ask 2 with how many and 2 with how much, okay? So you still work in groups, in pairs, and then we will come back to answer these questions. For example, if Vanessa work with Joel, an example, Vanessa has to tell me the answers of Joel, okay? And the other way around.
Okay.
Okay,
Joel,
so
how much?
yes?
Yes, okay.
No.
Joel,
Just a moment. En este caso, I will say this in Spanish. Si trabajan juntos, Vanessa en Elis, Vanessa en Joel, las respuestas que me tiene que dar Vanessa son las respuestas que le respondió Joel, ¿ok? Cuando yo le pregunto, ok. Now start working, I will give you 5 minutes. Solo pregunten dos with how many and dos with how much, okay? So let's work with your partners, please. Go with your partners, please. Go. Okay, give me just a moment, probably. I'm going to send the questions. Oh my God, who is here? Who? Oh, Paola, you are two Paolas.
Yes, I had the same problem.
Okay, no problem. Ay, ahorita. Okay, Paola, let's practice. Okay, tell me, Paola, how many hours a day do you sleep?
In my free time, maybe 2 hours or 3.
And every day, how many hours do you sleep? ¿Cuántas horas duerme al día cuando se duerme en la noche?
Maybe 6 hours or
6
7.
hours?
Yes, or 7.
Okay, okay. How many people do you live with?
I live with four people.
4, okay. How many cups of coffee do you drink every day?
I drink coffee. Sorry, I drink 2 cups of coffee every day.
Okay. Let me ask you with how much? How much money do you spend to buy clothes? On clothes every month?
Maybe $12.
Okay. How much money do you spend on food each month?
Maybe 14 or 15.
That's how, I'm sorry, do you spend $14 each month?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So let's call the rest. Vamos a buscar los demás. Okay, let's wait for the rest. Ya se me tarda. Okay, just to finish and conclude the class of today. Hello?
Hello.
Okay, thank you, Joel. Now let's listen to veamos. Kenya, tell me, who was your partner?
Mayra.
Okay, Mayra. What are the
Hi.
questions did you ask to Mayra? What were the questions? ¿Cuáles fueron las preguntas que le hice? Yes, tell me the answers.
The question.
Okay, tell me the answers of Mayra, please. Dígame las respuestas de Mayra. Kenia.
La pregunta fue, how many weeks do you take for vacation every day? I don't remember because I don't write.
Okay, Mayra, you can answer.
I want the months in the year.
How many weeks do you take for vacations? You said 1 month.
Yes.
Okay, so 4 weeks. Está preguntando ahí cuántas
Yes,
semanas
yes.
usted toma para vacación cada año.
La verdad que a ver.
Okay, no problem.
No.
It's okay. So it's okay, no problem. This is just going to be like a practice for you, but
Okay.
we will continue tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
I hope you have a great night. See you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good night, teacher.
Bye.